Hey there, welcome to the Science of It. I'm WESH 2 meteorologist Eric Burris, joined by Maya from the Orlando Science Center. And Maya, who is this sweet little thing?
This is Rocky. Rocky is a gopher tortoise. She is what we like to call an ecosystem engineer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
So you might be wondering why she's called a gopher tortoise.
Yeah.
And that's because they love to dig burrows. So if you take a look at their front limbs right there, they have specialized front arms.
Yep.
They're kind of like shovels. So they use those to dig super deep burrows, 6 feet deep in the ground and about 15 to 20 feet in length.
That's deep.
Yeah, a pretty big burrow for such
Right.
a small animal.
Yeah.
And they're actually super important to their ecosystems.
Yep.
It's estimated to believe that over 350 different animals actually use gopher tortoise burrows.
Really?
Yep, so because so many animals depend on gopher tortoises, they're what we call a keystone species,
Okay.
meaning that without gopher tortoises in their ecosystems, that ecosystem could entirely collapse.
That's what, and so big deal here in Florida.
Yep, they are Florida's only native tortoise species.
Wow, how long do the tortoises live?
They live upwards of 90 years. So Alice here is only 20. She's got a long way to go.
Yep.
They'll actually dig multiple burrows throughout their lifetime.
That is something else. Now, this is downstairs, first floor at the Science Center. Talk to me a little bit about how this is an ambassador animal.
Yeah, so Rocky is one of our ambassador animals here at the Science Center, here in life. She's also on exhibit as well, so it's her job to come over and teach you guys a little bit about their species and about gopher tortoises in general and what they do.
Now, to learn more about gopher tortoises, come down here to the Orlando Science Center.
Of course, and you can also check out some of the gopher tortoise burrow residents like the burrowing owls.
Oh, very cool. All right, well, Maya, thank you very much. And thank you for joining us for the Science of It.